So what we have here is a very narrow loft, a very narrow hallway. The issue with the narrow hallway is the ladder doesn't have enough space to open and also clear the balcony. So what we've done is above this doorway we've created a small hinged door which opens to allow the ladder to pass through, because as you'll see in a second, the ladder actually hits where the hinged door is. As you can see in this image, this is where the ladder strikes the upper part of the door frame. Now we have the part of the door frame that we've hinged actually interacting with the bottom of the ladder. This is the same part of the process, but obviously it's from behind the door. This is what the hinged panel looks like from behind.